So you've been trying to manifest your SP and they have been eluding you no matter how hard you try to get them. Today I'm going to tell you one thing that all people who fail to manifest their SPs do, that once you stop doing this, and I can tell you that subconsciously you are doing this, if you don't have your SP yet, you are doing this subconsciously, that's keeping them away. You stop doing it, you remediate with the advice that I'm going to give you today what to do. If you're doing this instead of doing what most people do, what you can do to manifest them quickly, that you are going to get amazing results. If you are ready, let's dive in. What is it that most people do that keeps their SP at arm's length or light years away? What that habit is looking at your current situation with your SP and complaining about all things that your SP is not doing, looking at their actions and literally, like nitpicking them. They should be doing this, they should be contacting me. Why are they not contacting me? Why do they not see how amazing I am? Literally complaining about your SP's behavior, nitpicking each and everything they do and being extremely critical of them. And yes, I know that you want to manifest them and you must be thinking, no, 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 I want to manifest this person, but the reason you don't have them yet is that you're focused more on the things that they are not doing and the things that make you feel like you're not important to them and trigger you, and you are focusing very less on what you'd like them to do, how you'd like them to behave, what their ideal version is in your mind. This is the shift that when you make, you are going to have amazing results and your SPs literally will start behaving the way you'd want them to, and you will literally have your whole life turn around when it comes to your love life. So that literally was it. Like you do this, and before Valentine's Day, you could have amazing results with your SP. But the thing is, let me explain this to you a little bit so that you understand it. Because once you get the explanation and you get the understanding, you'll find that this is very, very important that you make this shift. Because so many people, they're affirming for their SPs, they're doing the mental diet, they're doing the scripting, visualizing, living in the end. But when their SP does not conform to their actions, they react to the 3D. This is what you're doing, this that I told you, this habit is literally one of the worst reactions you could have to your SP situation, where their behavior is dictating how you think of them. But you've heard of EIYPO, right? Everyone is you pushed out. The more look at their behavior and react to it, the more you are programming yourself into expecting that kind of behavior from your person. You are expecting that they are going to not message you. You are expecting that they are going to go out with somebody else. You are expecting that they don't like you. And that becomes your expectation, and expectations manifest, right? Because expectations, what you expect somebody to do, is literally what you assume to be true about that person in your subconscious. So that's how they behave. Your assumptions cannot be overpowered, right? Your expectations literally cannot be overpowered. Once you expect somebody to behave in a certain way, they just have to do that. They are following your storyline that you've given to them, right? Everybody has a script in your mind. Everybody has a way in which they behave with you in your mind. And your SP is literally conforming to your beliefs and your expectations right now. And you don't even realize that. So change it, make the shift, commit to it. I want you to write down, I promise to make the shift. And what shift you're going to make, you're going to visualize them. You're going to affirm for them to behave as your ideal partner. Write down what your ideal partner does, like how they contact you, their behavior with you. Write everything down, and then literally, no matter what the 3D is showing you, for till they change their behavior, essentially, you are going to visualize them as the ideal partner that they need to be for you. Because everyone is you pushed out, they cannot escape your story, the expectations you have of them. Your partner cannot escape your expectations of them. Your partner cannot behave or act in a way that's different from the script that you have given to them. So you change the script, You'll change your reality, you'll get your SP. And that is literally what I wanted to tell you today. So thank you so much for joining me here today. Subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed yet. By the way, Valentine's Day is coming up, so happy Valentine's. I hope you make this change and get great results with your SP. So, yeah, and if you want to book personal coaching with me, one on one coaching, or want to join my 21-day manifestation advent calendar challenge, the details will be in the description box or my pinned comment, and I will see you again soon. Have fun, get ready to get your new SP. So, I'll see you again soon. Bye.